Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys, E46, and if you're guys trying to find the fuse for the rear view mirror guys, you have the rear view mirror, self-dimming mirror, you will have a fuse guys. We'll explain where that fuse is located and how to replace it. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this kind of BMW E46. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. So let's go ahead and show you guys where that fuse is located and how to replace it now. We'll need to go guys to the inside of the vehicle on the passenger side right here, and that fuse guys is right behind the glove box here. So we need to go ahead, open the glove box and check this thing out. On top right here you have two things that you turn towards the outside like that, and this drops down. This is your fuse box guys. So where is the fuse? You actually have two of them guys, not just one. You may have two of them. Okay, and you can see you have one row of fuses and a second one. The one in the middle, this is spare fuses here. So how we guys replace them now? The first one that we need is fuse number 24. You can see the numbers on the top row are printed here, the bottom row they're right here. And fuse number 24 will be that fuse here. I don't even need a fuse spool because it's the single fuse, so I can just pull it out and check it. Okay, this is a good fuse guys. Let me check now the next one. Okay, the next fuse that we need to check, it's fuse number 67. Okay, and 67 guys will be a 5 amp fuse. Okay, let me show you where exactly that one is. This fuse right here guys, this is number 67. How you replace that one? You grab the puller, go like that on top of the fuse, squish on the front part, pull out. This is guys the fuse. You can find where we buy our replacement fuses from in the description of the video below for a very affordable good price guys, so please check this thing out. And all we need to do, get the new fuse. If it's bad, if the old one was bad, you need to replace it. Okay, push it in. Don't forget guys to go ahead and install your fuse puller here as well, just like that, and install your fuse box there. So this is guys the fuse, okay, and those are the two fuses for the rear view mirror. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.